Hey everybody, what's up? It is Pete. It is Wednesday night, September 5th, about 10 after 6. Just wanted to do a quick replay, and I think one of the most important things is I want to review how simple it can be to make good picks in your games, as well as how easy it is to actually follow through and pick the right stocks for when you're in your battle stocks game. So I just want to start out with the market and just discuss, if you're opening the emails every day and clicking through like a lot of you are, indecision candlesticks mean that the stock or the market or whatever you happen to be looking at opened and closed in basically the same spot, which basically means that it has a small bodied candle. So that's why I say it's indecision. So the market itself, we made it very clear in the Sunday night video. If you happen to catch that, I'll put a link in the show notes. If you happen to catch it, we spent a lot of time saying that the market was not that active as far as short-term trading and putting on new stock picks inside of battle stocks. But we said there were plenty of stock-related opportunities that you should be able to capitalize and really add to your coins and your bankroll. So I just want to go over a couple of them. But the biggest point I want to make here, again, is the fact that the market really wasn't doing that much, which in a longer-term perspective here, it's actually pausing very nicely in a longer-term uptrend. But not much to do there. So index futures traders are driving themselves crazy right now, but stock pickers in battle stocks have had plenty to do despite the fact that the market's been indecisive. So I just want to get into a couple of the ones that we called out in the video on Sunday night. We had mentioned that Tesla was well offered, which means lower lows, lower highs. And even though it didn't really have what we call clean order flow, there was plenty of downward pressure. And actually, this here is one of the biggest parts that we had mentioned. We had well offered, inside candle down, down, inside candle down, and looking for follow through again today. And we actually got it. We actually pulled into support. So today's the day I would not be looking to short that tomorrow. The point that I want to make, and the biggest point I want you to take out of these videos, is it does not have to be complicated. Well bid. Higher highs, higher lows. Well bid, leading to a monster move. Well offered, leading to big moves lower. Okay. Next, Facebook. We actually had mentioned Facebook as setting up a potential massive opportunity this week, just based on the fact that it keeps consolidating. You know, we had mentioned multiple times inside candlesticks are one of the best plays to look for an increase in volatility. And in this case here, we kept consolidating for roughly the entire month of August after gap down. And we got two really good plays. Now, we had said don't predict direction, even though kind of it could be obvious when you get a monster move to the downside, but let the market tip its hand, let the stock tip its hand before you pick it and put it into the game. And you can see Facebook, some larger green candles, especially in the morning, you can add some nice games. So again, keeping it simple, being aggressive with your coins, building your bankroll, and moving up in status. Next one we had was Baba, same exact thing. We had well offered, well offered, well offered, well offered. Again, look, lower highs, lower lows, all the way down. Gap lower today, which still produced some pretty nice trades. Now, again, intraday bounced a little bit, but that should not have stopped you. It was really just the end of the day. So you can see really getting short selling and picking this to be a sale in the games today basically paid the entire day. So again, the daily email that we send out, the weekly video that goes out on Sunday, however you want to do it, visit the blog post every day. Take our picks, use your own picks for the game. It doesn't make a difference. Keep it simple. And the biggest one out of all of them, if you go back to that video on Sunday, we had mentioned that Netflix had what is known as a swing high and an inside candle, and we kept failing up at this level. We had said that this was a short covering rally. And again, go back to it. I was very specific to say short covering rallies are not new buying. They're essentially people that have sold short on the way down, have to cover, which means they have to get out, pushes the stock up. You get some weak hands getting involved or early buyers getting involved. And you can see that the buyers just couldn't do anything. Every time it pushed it up, it couldn't get through this level. We said if it bounces, it's going to do nothing. If it pulls back and starts to trade down, we are going to look to trade it short and be aggressive. And look at this day. $22 net change today in Netflix. This one day. Again, Netflix is the symbol. Could have paid for everything. But here's the point. When you're picking your games, keep it as simple as possible, because all of the games we're playing right now are shorter term games. They're an hour, they're 10 minutes, they're 15 minutes, whatever the time. It could be 2 hours. Doesn't matter. Come into the day, inside day, breakdown, well offered, looking for a big push down. Keep it simple, win more coins, increase your bankroll. Open those daily emails every day and look at the scans. Go to the blog, go to the website, start getting involved. Next week, we got something planned that's going to be awesome. We're actually going to do a live game in the middle of the day where you're going to have a chance to win prizes. And I'm actually going to do play-by-play just like I'm doing right now, but on intraday basis. And the winners are going to get some really cool stuff. So this is Pete signing off. It is Wednesday night, September 5th. Have an awesome day.